Kev G weather overview, taking a look at the late night temperature trends. Now, we don't have the protection of the clouds anymore. Our skies have cleared out and our temperatures are dropping. You can see that it's a lot cooler than it was the last few nights. With the insulation of the cloud cover, now that that's gone, our temperatures are coming down, and it's going to be a cool night tonight for the balance of the night. And much of the day today is we're going to see temperatures stuck in the 50s. So quite a departure from where we were as we start to move this air mass around and get systems moving in and out like they should be. Now, the Weather Service did a really nice graphic on the fog. So this is definitely something you want to check out. A lot of this has to do with the fact that NOAA launches a weather balloon every single morning to get this information from their sounding. So if that's what a sounding is. It really is derived from the weather balloon going up and taking these measurements every morning at the NOAA offices all across the country. Today's temperatures, 50s. And no better than that. We're going to have a decent amount of sun, especially in the morning, but clouds arriving late with some rain. And then it just stays gloomy for the majority of the week. Monday's high temperatures don't really get above 60. Same thing with Tuesday with lots of clouds and some light rain around. Wednesday, much of the same. And then we look for some heavier rain by Thursday. And that's where we could get the lion's share of the rain. Here into Friday, same thing. Temperatures just staying very steady in the 50s and not much movement with the temperatures. So, it's a mixed bag. We've had these clouds the last couple of days, but we've had relatively warm temps and a little bit on the humid side. But now we're getting the reverse where it's just getting into a dull, kind of a dreary fall pattern. And I think that's what we have for the balance of the week. Now, this is the weather map for tomorrow. Most of the day is going to be fine. We should see more sun than clouds, especially early, but then clouds do develop and then light rain moves in for Saturday night. It probably won't move in until after 7 o'clock tomorrow in most places. So we will get some rain out of this weak system. And then we just have some weaker systems that move through the pipeline and don't really give us much, but they will kind of make our weather cloudy with periods of light rain for Monday, Tuesday. But then you notice that the activity starts to pick up as we get late Wednesday into early Thursday. A lot more rain starts showing up, and this is tropical moisture as well as moisture coming from the west. And this could be a good soaking of rain for Thursday, and then a slight break, and then more rain still moves in for Friday. So this looks like a very unsettled week of weather with a lot of chances for rain, a lot of clouds around, just like we've had the last few days. The only difference, I think, here is that the temperatures will be on the lower side over the next 5 to 7 days, more typical of fall around here. So gear up and get ready for a period of unsettled weather for the majority of this coming week.